stop for a moment. Put your phone down, close your eyes, and take one deep breath. Now ask yourself, am I really living or just existing? Every morning, you wake up, check your phone, scroll through other people's lives, and then say you're too busy for your own. You say you want to change. You say you want a better life. You say you want to learn English, get confident, travel, earn, grow. But what are you actually doing today to get there? Be honest. You want freedom, but you stayed trapped in routine. You want success, but you fear starting. You want happiness, but you spend your days comparing yourself to others. Life keeps moving, and you keep saying, maybe tomorrow. But tomorrow is not a real day. It's an excuse that kills your dreams, slowly, quietly, permanently. I know it feels like you have time. You think you'll start when you feel ready, when life gets easier, when motivation magically appears. But let me tell you something. No one told you before. Time doesn't wait for you. It doesn't stop when you're tired. It doesn't pause when you're lost. It doesn't care if you're afraid. Every minute you waste watching random videos, gossiping, overthinking, or complaining is a minute you'll never get back. You think you're killing time, but time is quietly killing you. One scroll at a time, one excuse at a time, one "I'll do it later" at a time. Look at your dates. What did you do yesterday? What did you do the day before? And what will you do tomorrow? The same? Then nothing will change. The truth is, you're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just disconnected. Disconnected from your purpose. And you know what happens when you live without purpose? You start to exist instead of live. You start to survive instead of grow. You stop learning, stop speaking, stop believing. And life starts to fade, one small dream at a time. But listen, you're not too late. You're not too young. You're not too old. You're just one decision away from turning everything around. Put down the distractions. Pick up your dream. Start learning again. Speak again. Believe again. Don't let this world make you silent. Don't let comfort steal your fire. Because one day, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, you'll wake up and realize that time didn't wait. So live while you still have days to live. This is your wake-up call. Don't waste it. Don't waste your life. Let me tell you a truth that most people ignore. You don't lose time. Time loses you. Every second that passes isn't just another number on a clock. It's a small part of your life that will never come back. You can earn money again. You can build new relationships again. You can even fix mistakes. But you can never earn back a single second that's gone. Time doesn't restart. It doesn't rewind. It only moves forward. And while you wait for the perfect moment, time keeps moving without you. You say, "I'll start when I'm ready." You say, "Maybe next month, maybe next year." But life doesn't pause for your plans. Life keeps running, with or without your permission. Listen carefully. Time doesn't wait for motivation. It rewards discipline. The person who studies a little every day, who speaks English even with mistakes, who reads one paragraph instead of none, that person wins. Because they understand that consistency beats talent, and small actions beat perfect plans. You keep waiting for a big change, but big changes are made from small moments, thousands of tiny decisions that build your future quietly. You think you have time, but you don't. You only have this moment, the time you waste scrolling, overthinking or doubting is someone else is using that same hour to grow, to study, to rise. Every later is a thief. Every tomorrow is a lie. So what can you do right now? One thing, just one. Speak one sentence in English today. Read one paragraph. Write one line. Don't wait for someday. Someday doesn't exist. There is only today, this minute, this breath. And if you use this moment with purpose, you can rebuild your life 1 second at a time. Because time is not your enemy. It's your mirror. It shows what you do, not what you wish. And if you start respecting it, time will start respecting you.
Everyone has a dream, but not everyone has discipline. Most people talk about what they'll do. I'll start tomorrow. I'll try next week. I'll learn when I have time. But listen, time doesn't create results. Action does. You can read every book, watch every video, listen to every motivational speech, but if you never act, nothing will ever change. You say you want to learn English, but you never speak. You say you want a better job, but you never apply. You say you want confidence, but you never practice it. Your dreams are waiting for you to move, not to talk. Stop making excuses. I'm too busy. I'm too tired. I'm not ready. You'll never be ready. That's the truth. Nobody ever feels ready when starting something new. You become ready after you begin. If you wait until everything is perfect, you'll wait forever. People fail not because they don't have talent, but because they never start. The world doesn't reward excuses. It rewards execution. Even a small action today is more powerful than a big plan you never begin. You want to learn English? Don't just watch others speak. Speak yourself. Record your voice. Make mistakes. Learn. Grow. You want success? Don't wait for motivation. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is forever. Your excuses feel safe. They protect you from failure, but they also protect you from success. So every time you hear that small voice saying, "Not today, maybe later, I'll start soon," look it in the eye and say, "No, I start now." Do one thing today that your future self will thank you for. It doesn't matter if it's small. Every great story begins with one brave step. Don't overthink. Don't wait. Don't ask. Just move. Because excuses will always sound good, but results will always feel better. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you did something that scared you a little? Most people don't fail because they're not smart or talented. They fail because they never leave their comfort zone. Every day feels safe. Same mornings, same people, same habits, same dreams, same results. Comfort feels good, doesn't it? But here's the truth. Comfort is the slowest poison in the world. It doesn't hurt immediately. It feels warm. It feels calm. But slowly, it kills your growth, your courage, your potential. You say you want to speak fluent English, but you never speak. You're afraid someone might laugh. You're afraid you'll make a mistake. But how will you grow if you never step out? The first time I tried to speak English, I froze. My heart was racing, my hands were shaking. People smiled, some laughed, and I wanted to give up. But something inside whispered, "Keep going." So I did. And every time I spoke after that, the fear got smaller. My confidence grew stronger. That's the secret. Fear doesn't go away before you act. It goes away after you act. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, you build a new version of yourself. Think about it. A seed buried under the soil feels safe. But unless it breaks the ground, it will never see the light. It has to face the sun, the wind, the storm. Only then does it grow into something powerful. You're that seed.
You will never become who you're meant to be by hiding underground. So speak even if you stutter. Start even if you're scared. Try even if you fail. Because every uncomfortable step you take builds your courage, your strength, your future. The pain of growth lasts for a moment. The pain of regret lasts forever. And when you look back someday, you'll realize that the moments that scared you the most were the ones that changed you the most. Don't die inside your comfort zone. Escape it. Live, learn, grow outside.
Let's be honest. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow"? Tomorrow is the most dangerous word in your vocabulary because tomorrow never comes. When you wake up tomorrow, it becomes today again, and you push your dream one more day away. You keep waiting for the perfect time, when you're less busy, when you have more energy, when life finally feels right. But that perfect time doesn't exist. Life will always be messy. You'll always be tired. You'll always have something in your way. The truth is, if you can't start now, you probably never will. You want to learn English? Don't wait for a course. Don't wait for motivation. Start with one word today. Listen to one video. Speak one line. Write one thought. Because the hardest step isn't the 100th. It's the first. The first video, the first paragraph, the first mistake. That's where transformation begins. You say you're waiting for motivation, but motivation comes after action, not before. The moment you start moving, the energy appears. Think about it. Every person you admire, every success story you know, began the same way. Scared, unprepared, uncertain. But they started anyway. And that anyway changed their life. You might say, "I'll do it when I feel ready." But readiness is a trap. No one ever feels ready to change their life. They just begin. The ones who win in life aren't the ones who have everything figured out. They're the ones who take the first step before they see the full path. Stop saying one day. Say today. Stop planning. Start moving. Stop thinking. Start doing. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Take that one small step and you'll feel something powerful. Momentum. Momentum doesn't need permission. It doesn't wait for the right time. It grows the moment you move. So stop dreaming about the future. Build it right now. You've spent too many days waiting for the perfect moment. But this is it. Your moment is now. No one is coming to save you. No one will push you more than you can push yourself. You've been through pain. You've made mistakes. You've doubted yourself. But you're still here. And that means something. That means there's still fight left in you. You are not weak because you fell. You are strong because you're still standing. You've been quiet for too long. You've been dreaming, but not doing. You've been existing, but not living. It's time to rise. This world doesn't reward excuses. It rewards effort. It doesn't care who you were yesterday. It only cares about what you do today. So stop waiting for a sign. This is your sign. Every morning, remind yourself, you are not your past. You are not your fears. You are not your failures. You are potential waiting to be activated. You are strength waiting to be tested. You are a story waiting to be written. Today, choose to create your new version. Speak even if your voice shakes. Learn even if it's hard. Work even if no one claps for you. Because when the world sleeps, you'll be awake, building the life everyone else only dreams about. You don't need to prove yourself to anyone. You don't need permission to start. You just need courage and a little faith. So start rebuilding. One word, one lesson, one small action at a time. The old you doubted, delayed, complained. The new you acts, learns, and grows. You're not too late. You're just getting started. One day, you'll look back and realize this was the moment everything changed. Not because the world believed in you,
but because you finally believed in yourself. This is your rebirth. This is your comeback. Don't waste your life waiting. Live it. Stay with 5-Second English, where every word builds your confidence, every story builds your strength, and every lesson brings you closer to your dream.